Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So with Ethereum, there is not much more to add to the last video. Actually, we can keep it quite short. We broke obviously yesterday out of that triangle here. I took another look. I can actually count it as an Elliott Wave triangle as well. We looked at it as a WXY. The difference, it doesn't really matter now. It just matters, where did the wave 4 end, here or here. Now I left it now at this high, which was at 1582. We currently still look at this as a possible 5-wave move. Now the question is, was this already the low we've been waiting for, or do we get another one? And at the moment, I don't even think that this 5th wave is over. So the idea is, do we get in this 5th wave one more, which I think most likely yes, as long as we stay in the corrective price channel that I talked about in yesterday's video. And then the question is, after that, I really need to see an impulse to indicate that the low is in. Otherwise, it could just be another wave 4. Yeah, there is a way where I can count another 4 and 5 into this. That could be quite a large wave 4, which might actually first go up quite a bit before it comes down, makes one more low. So that's what we need to see. That's why I need to see an impulse when we break out of this descending price channel. So it's in the corrective price channel. We talked yesterday about one more low and the breakout, and it happened. Now the thing is, Bitcoin here, yeah, overnight basically, or here in the morning, UK time, made one more low today. Ethereum didn't, as you can see here, Bitcoin made another low. Ethereum didn't. Now that's not so relevant because to count this on the micro level really at the moment doesn't make any sense. It looks very corrective what's happening here, very choppy. Could say that, and this is just speculation, maybe this was a wave 1 of the wave 5. Yeah, this was a wave 2 of the wave 5. We could get a 3, 4, 5 directly into our target area around 1480. So, I mean, the target area actually starts, or the larger support area based on the larger fips of the larger cycle, as discussed in previous videos, starts here at around 1490, goes down to basically 1400. The previous wave 4 low here of the 13th of February, that is located at around 1466, yeah. So these are all going to be key support levels. Now, if we come down to that level, we will see, at the moment, we certainly, in my opinion, still have a good chance to go lower, especially as long as we are below the corrective price channel's upper boundary line. Here, we haven't even reached the 78.6 fib. I mean, you could say that even the very first support, if the next support on the way down will be 1525, and then one more low will take it to that 1490 level, 1500 level anyway. So these are key supports. 1525 would be next in my opinion. Yeah, that's one way to watch, one level to watch. Not necessarily now in this scenario here the most reliable one, but certainly a level to watch. And I can also, I mean, I showed you here let's say the macro fibs, yeah, on the in those colored boxes between 1500 and 1400. But obviously, then that level I just showed you is sort of more the smaller time frame, and then here the micro fibs, yeah. Here for the 5th wave, we get a target also of 1524, so that's very, very closely together with the other one, and an extended target of 1490. So yeah, I think we seem to have one more chance to stop and maybe turn around, even if it's only locally, at 1525. And below that, we've got around about that 1490 level, which is the start of my larger support area anyway. So strategy-wise, I'm starting to scale in here. Yeah, I've been talking about that for the last few days, because I know how this market works. Sometimes it's turning around at an instant. It's just that below 1400, we are morphing into a different scenario. And the question would then be, which we don't have at the moment, that question, but it will then be, okay, are we already in this larger wave 2? And are we going to see a retest of that structure here? Yeah, the wave 2 support area of that larger cycle, which started back in November. And this would then tell us more about, is the bear market low already in or not? Or are we going to continue with the bear market? Yeah, this is still the question here, but it will only come into the focus below 1400, because until then we've got this short-term upside potential here that I intend to trade. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.